To start your TikTok journey, the first step is downloading the app. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store for Android devices. In the search bar, type TikTok and look for the app with a vibrant musical note icon. Tap Install or get it to download it onto your device. Once the download is complete, you can open the app directly from the store or find it on your home screen. After opening TikTok for the first time, you'll be prompted to create an account. You have 3 options: use your email, phone number, or link an existing social media account like Facebook or Google. Choose the method most convenient for you. Enter the necessary details, such as your email or phone number, and follow the prompts to verify your information. Once verified, you'll be asked to create a password. Choose a strong password to ensure your account's security. Congratulations, you're now a member of the TikTok community. Once your account is created, you're taken to TikTok's home screen. At the bottom, you'll see various icons: Home, Discover, Create, Inbox, and Profile. The Home tab is where you'll find the For You page, curated content based on your interests. Swipe up to discover a continuous stream of videos. The layout is intuitive, designed for easy navigation. Spend some time exploring to get familiar with its features and discover new content tailored just for you. Personalizing your profile is essential to make a memorable first impression. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here, you can add a profile picture by tapping the camera icon. Choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one. Next, tap Edit Profile to add a bio. A short and catchy bio helps others understand who you are. You can also link your other social media accounts for cross-platform connectivity. These simple customizations help make your profile stand out. Privacy is crucial when using social media. TikTok allows you to customize who can view and interact with your content. Go to your profile and tap the 3 dots in the top right corner to access Settings and Privacy. Here, you can change your account to private, which means only approved followers can see your videos. You also have options to decide who can comment on your videos, who can duet or stitch with you, and who can send you direct messages. Adjust these settings to your comfort level for a safer TikTok experience. The Discover page is your gateway to trending content and new creators. Tap Discover at the bottom of the screen to enter a world of hashtags and challenges. You'll find a search bar at the top for looking up specific trends or users. As you scroll, notice the trending hashtags and sounds, often accompanied by popular challenges. Engaging with these can increase your visibility on the platform. Take a moment to explore what's trending today and discover content that resonates with you. Liking and commenting on videos is a great way to engage with content you enjoy. As you scroll through your feed, double-tap the screen or tap the heart icon on the right to like a video. To leave a comment, tap the speech bubble icon and type your thoughts. Engaging in positive discussions can connect you with other users and creators. Remember to keep comments respectful and supportive. Each interaction helps build a vibrant community. Found a video you adore? Sharing it with friends is simple. Tap the share arrow to see options for sending the video via messages, social media, or copying the link. You can also save videos to your device for offline viewing by selecting Save Video. If you prefer to keep a list within the app, tap Add to Favorites. These features make it easy to revisit content you love and spread the joy with your friends. Following your favorite creators keeps you updated on their latest content. When watching a video, tap the creator's profile picture to visit their page. You'll find a Follow button at the top. Once you follow them, their videos will appear in your Following tab on the home screen. It's a fantastic way to curate your feed with content from people you admire. Interacting with their posts through likes and comments can also foster a sense of community. Challenges are a unique aspect of TikTok, bringing users together through creativity. To join, find a challenge by exploring trending hashtags or the Discover page. Watch a few videos to understand the theme, then tap Create to make your own. Add the appropriate hashtags and share your video. Participating in challenges not only boosts your creativity but also helps you connect with a larger community of like-minded individuals. Dive into a challenge and see where your creativity takes you.